Hey, what's up bros, it's Wonta here. I hope everybody's safe and healthy. I know a lot of you have a Huawei device without Google services and many popular applications like Play Store, YouTube, Gmail and so on. And that's why I decided to shoot this video and let you know that there exists a better life without the Play Store. And why? Simply because there are already a lot of alternatives like Aptoid, APK Pure or APK Monk. And today I'm going to present you Aurora Store and how you can use it to get your favorite apps and games with it, without needing the Google Play Store. So the first thing you have to do is download Aurora Store APK. The link is in the description of this video, bro, so go to description, tap on that link and the link takes you to my website, to this site. Now scroll a bit down until you see stahujte, Aurora Store, stahujte is download, and the Aurora Store right here, tap on this link and now tap on this big blue button right here, tap on download and the Aurora Store will be downloaded into my device. This is the Mate 40 Pro. Now you have to tap on open right here and tap on allow, no risk detected, cool, and now tap on install and tap on open. And opening the app for the first time will ask you if you want to log in with a Google account or as an Anonymous user. Because you don't have Google services, tap on Anonymous, but if you want, you can log in with your Google account. So I tap on Anonymous, and if you tap on Anonymous, it will rapidly log in and will send you right to the main screen where you can see the For You, top charts and categories. From here you can search for any application or game and you can find whatever you need. Tapping the three dots will open a menu where you have multiple choices like My Apps and Games, Apps on Sale, Blacklist Manager, Spoof Manager, Downloads, Accounts and Settings. So open Settings. You can see Filters, Installation, Customization, Downloads and Networking. By tapping Customization, you can change the theme. So I choose now Light or Black. Very nice, very cool. Or Dark X, Discord. I choose Follow System, Accent, so I choose Purple, Restart, very nice, Purple Accent. As you can see, again Settings, Customization. There's a lot of options right here. By using Aurora Store, you can download almost any application. It doesn't mean that it will work because your phone doesn't have GMS, Google Mobile Services, but you could download Facebook, Messenger, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, Twitch and many popular applications, and also many regional apps which you could not find in App Gallery or on APK Pure. So I will show you, I don't know, top charts, top 3, okay, TikTok. All you have to do is tap on install and TikTok will be installed on my Mate 40 Pro. From here you can see the updates section, so tap on updates. And from here you can update your apps you have already installed. So as you can see, there is an update available for Instagram application. So open Instagram and tap on update. This is the TikTok install. And this is Instagram. And the Instagram now is downloading the newest version of the application. All we have to do is tap on allow and install. Okay. And this is the Instagram application, up to date. I will show you one more. I will update the Facebook application. So tap on update and the Facebook app will be updated by the Aurora store. I really like the design of Aurora store. I think it is nicer than the original Google Play Store, and I find this Aurora store far better than the original Huawei App Gallery and Petrol Search or APK Pure. Very nice, very clean design. A lot of options, a lot of features. If you own a Huawei or Honor phone without the GMS browse, this is the best way to get your favorite apps and games. Aurora store, I highly recommend you to use it. So I do hope you ended up enjoyed this video, bros. So don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share the video, and as always, I really appreciate your support. We're almost there, 50k subscribers. Very big thank you. I love you. Stay safe, wear the mask, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.